Welcome back friends, this is Kiran Kumar, the drone pilot. By the by, I have got a new haircut. Do you like it? It's cool, right? And now I'm standing on the top of a hill over here. The climate is cool, crispy and weather is nice. There is gentle grass which is swaying to the breezes. I like this grass. I really like this. Adorable. This is 7:14 a.m. Early in the morning, you can see the haze, the morning sun rays. Very beautiful and awesome climate. And I do like adventures like this. And this is 360 degrees from the summit of the hill. So beautiful, amazing. The morning haze. Oh my god, awesome. And this nice crisp climate, and of course there is a breeze. I am going to try something unusual. That's right, I am going to fly my drone here. Let's watch. I have my wonderful drone in my hand. The drone has one propeller which is wobbling. This is a foldable propeller and all other three are normal ones. Let us see how the drone would fly with one odd propeller on it. The camera is not covering the right angle. It is not showing what is above, it is mostly covering what is down. So better I need to move the camera a little bit up. Now I would be able to cover the drone flying in the air. So now I have got my remote in my hand and I'm going to turn on the drone and let me calibrate my drone, keeping the drone on a flat surface. I think my drone would get lost. The drone is returning back. There is little turbulence. Turn towards me. Yes. So friends, I am enjoying this drone flying from the top of the hill. Let's shoot. I got my drone in my handbag. So friends, this is the art of flying the drone, and I like adventures. Flying the drone from the top of a hill is something crazy. I love it, I like it. Do you too like it? Then subscribe, share and comment on my video. The drone is wiggling in the wind because of turbulence. got my drone back. That was a nice flight. I enjoyed it. The drone seems to handle well even with an odd propeller like this. This is a crazy try, guys. So you to try this on your drone and it will look amazing. The nice wonderful drone with a little red tile behind. I'm going to turn it off. Yes. Very nice place, very nice weather. People should enjoy such places. Oh my god, nice experience it was. I'm putting my drone back in my bag. And that was an adventurous drone flight on the top of a hill early in the morning at 7 a.m. The climate was pretty cool, awesome, chilling, crisp weather around, and I really enjoyed flying the drone in such a beautiful climate, and I hope you too have enjoyed it. And this is Kiran Kumar, the drone pilot, signing off, and I will be coming with a new video the next time. Keep watching my channel, subscribe and comment. We will meet again with a fantabulous video once again. Take care.